The morning begins like every other day. The soft sunlight slowly fills your bedroom as your alarm clock reaches exactly 7 o'clock. You stretch, yawn, and rub your eyes, still unaware that today will be unlike any day you've ever experienced. Your phone rests quietly beside your bed while the peaceful city outside begins to wake up. Everything feels completely normal. As you sit up and walk toward the window, you notice the futuristic skyline glowing in the morning light. You smile, thinking it's just another ordinary day. But within the next few minutes, your entire understanding of work, technology, and humanity is about to change forever. Your phone suddenly vibrates once, then twice, then nonstop. Curious, you unlock the screen and immediately freeze. A bright red breaking news alert appears. Artificial intelligence has replaced human workers worldwide. At first, you laugh quietly. It sounds impossible. Maybe it's fake news or an internet prank. But more notifications begin arriving from different news organizations. Every headline tells the same unbelievable story. As you continue reading, your smile slowly disappears. Your heartbeat becomes faster. Something feels different. Deep inside, you begin wondering if this terrifying headline could actually be true. You continue scrolling through article after article, hoping at least one source will deny the story. Instead, every report confirms the same shocking reality. Major companies have replaced millions of employees with artificial intelligence. Automated factories now operate 24 hours a day without human workers. Offices are managed entirely by intelligent systems. Banks, hospitals, transportation companies, and customer service centers have all embraced AI. Holographic news reports surround you as if the entire room is trying to force you to accept the truth. The future everyone talked about has finally arrived, and it happened much faster than anyone expected. Before you can process everything, your television suddenly turns on by itself. Then your laptop wakes up, your tablet lights up, even your smartwatch begins displaying emergency updates. Every single screen repeats the exact same breaking news. There are no different opinions, no reassuring explanations. Every device confirms that artificial intelligence has officially replaced millions of human workers around the world. Standing in the middle of your room, surrounded by glowing screens, you slowly realize this isn't just another headline. This is reality. The world changed while you were sleeping, and nothing will ever return to the way it was before. Unable to stay inside any longer, you leave your apartment hoping someone outside can explain what is happening. As the elevator doors open and you step into the city, your jaw drops. Self-driving buses move silently through the streets. Delivery drones fly overhead carrying packages. Robot cleaners keep the sidewalks spotless while humanoid assistants help pedestrians without hesitation. Massive holographic advertisements shine from futuristic skyscrapers, promoting AI services everywhere you look. You stand frozen in the middle of the sidewalk, realizing the future isn't coming anymore. You're already living inside it. Still trying to convince yourself there has been some kind of misunderstanding, you decide to visit your workplace. As you approach the familiar office building, something immediately feels different. The parking lot is almost empty, yet the building is fully powered. A giant digital sign above the entrance reads, "Fully automated, human employees no longer required." You walk through the glass doors, expecting to find your coworkers, but the office is silent. Every desk is empty. Instead, humanoid robots answer customer calls, AI systems prepare reports in seconds, and robotic assistants move effortlessly between departments. The company hasn't shut down. It has simply learned to operate without people. At that moment, the painful truth finally sinks in. The career you spent years building has vanished overnight, not because the business failed, but because machines learned to do everything faster, cheaper, and without ever getting tired. Refusing to believe this is happening everywhere, you travel to one of the largest manufacturing factories in the city. The moment you arrive, you're stunned. Thousands of robotic arms work in perfect synchronization, assembling products with incredible speed and precision. Autonomous vehicles transport materials across the factory floor while powerful AI systems monitor every machine from glowing holographic control panels. There are no lunch breaks, no conversations, no mistakes, and no exhausted workers. The entire production line runs 24 hours a day without a single human employee. As you continue exploring the city, you step inside a taxi, only to discover there isn't even a driver's seat. A calm AI voice welcomes you by name before the vehicle begins moving smoothly through the streets completely on its own. Buses, delivery vans, emergency vehicles, and even flying taxis move together in perfect harmony, without traffic lights or human drivers. High above the city, AI drones coordinate traffic with incredible accuracy, eliminating accidents and congestion. The transportation network has become smarter than anything humans ever built. It's impossible not to admire the efficiency. As the sun begins to set, you stand on the rooftop of a towering skyscraper, overlooking the breathtaking city of 2035. Flying vehicles cross the glowing skyline while robots and humans move together through streets powered by artificial intelligence. For the first time all day, you stop feeling afraid and begin thinking differently. Maybe the future was never about humans competing against AI. Maybe it has always been about learning how to work alongside it. The future doesn't belong to the strongest or the smartest. It belongs to those willing to learn, evolve, and embrace change.